name is Miss Carolyn, and I'm a teen librarian at the Bond Hill Branch Library. Today, we're going to code without computers in this unplugged backyard coding activity. We've partnered with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative on this project that you can do from your home. No materials are needed. Coding, or programming, is writing the step-by-step instructions that tell a computer what to do. We are going to explore an element of coding called conditional statements. A conditional statement, also called an if-else statement, is a decision between two things. If I do this, then you do that. Else do this. It sounds a little complicated, but you actually use conditional statements every day, such as deciding what to wear in the morning based off of where you're going that day. If I'm going to the pool, I bring my swimsuit. Otherwise, I'd better leave that at home and wear regular clothes. Or if you're playing a game of Uno, like my teens at Bond Hill love to do. If I have one card left, I yell, Uno! Otherwise, I keep playing on my turn. So, let's do an example right now. If you are wearing a red shirt, I want you to raise your hand. Otherwise, you have to spin in a circle. Alright, let's go outside and do some coding. This is like Simon Says. There's one person who is the programmer and everyone else is a computer. The computers have to do what the programmer says. So, if the programmer raises a hand, then the computers raise a hand. Easy, right? Now let's make it a little more difficult. If the programmer raises a hand, then the computers jump up and down. Now, let's introduce the if-else statement. If the programmer raises their hand, then the computers spin in a circle. Else, the computers stand on one foot. So unless the programmer's hand is raised, then the computers have to always be standing on one foot. This can turn silly very fast. If any of the computers make a mistake, then they are out. Or, in our backyard, the programmer sprays them with water. Last computer left gets to become the programmer and make the next if-else conditions. Thanks for watching and have fun coding.
This video was produced in partnership with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative. For more STEM activities, visit greatercincystem.org.